Bird time.
We're going to shoot another video of the bird.
We were using a lesser quality setting, so we wanted you to make sure that you got a good view of it. And you can see it there. Just a little baby bird likes mom's breast there.
Who doesn't?
Who doesn't? That's right. And you can just go up with it. And just a little baby. You gotta cuddle it like this. Oh yes, little baby, you know. Go, Misha. And I like the upside down bird is a fun one. It's upside down birdie. Upside down bird, just like that. A lot of trust. A lot of trust. Very happy. And grab. What's up? I'm going to do a little eagle thing here. Oh, eagle! Good baby. You can roll it off. Oh, that's a cute little baby. I'm talking about you, little baby dog. Oh, wants to be petted just like anything. He wants to be a little creature. Wants to be loved.
That's probably good.
Alright. You can do it.
Why don't you hold it for a second, Joy?
Yeah. Up. Good baby. Good baby. Then you can just stroke the baby. Oh yeah. Sweet baby. Sweet baby. Good. Yeah. Okay. It's a little groshy.
Is it biting you?
Yeah, it's trying to... Okay. Alright, that's good.